In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook dating Reddit. We will walk through the same fixes people talk about in Reddit threads, using simple steps you can follow right away. First, update Facebook. On your phone, open the Google Play Store or the App Store, depending on your device. When the store opens, you should see a search bar at the top of the screen, usually with a small magnifying glass icon beside it. Now search Facebook. Tap inside that search bar, type the word Facebook, and then tap the search button on your keyboard. In the results, find the official Facebook app. It usually shows the familiar blue icon with a white F and very high download numbers. Next, tap Update if you see that button. If the button says Open instead, then your app is already on the latest version and you can move on. When you tap Update, you will see a download bar and then it will install. On slower connections, this can take a bit, so wait until the button changes to Open before continuing. Once the update is done, reopen Facebook. You can tap Open right there in the store or switch back to your home screen and tap the Facebook icon. When it opens, you should notice the normal Facebook feed and navigation, so you know the app has started correctly with the new version. From there, restart Facebook properly. Close Facebook completely so it is not just minimized. On most phones, that means opening your recent apps view and swiping Facebook off the screen. A common beginner mistake is just pressing the home button, which leaves the app running in the background and can keep glitches stuck. After closing it, reopen the app, tap the Facebook icon again, and wait for your feed to appear. When it loads, you are starting a fresh session, which often clears temporary dating issues like missing tabs or stuck matches. Next, go to Menu. Look for the 3 horizontal lines icon, sometimes at the bottom right, sometimes at the top right. Tap that to open the full Facebook menu. You should see sections like your profile, friends, groups, and shortcuts. Now tap Dating. Scroll through the menu until you see Dating. Then tap it once. Give it a moment to load. If the fixes are helping, the dating screen should appear, showing profiles or your existing conversations instead of an error or a blank page. At this point, check whether it works. Try scrolling a bit, opening a match, or seeing if the location and match suggestions look normal again. If anything loads that did not appear before, that confirms the restart helped. With that ready, let us clear the Facebook cache on Android. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. You will usually see a gear-shaped icon, and inside, a long list of sections such as Connections, Display, and Apps. Next up, tap Apps. On many phones, this is called Apps, sometimes Apps and Notifications. After tapping it, you should see a list of all installed applications, including Facebook. Now tap Facebook in that list. This opens the App Info screen. Here you can see how much storage and data the app uses, plus buttons for notifications, permissions, and storage. After that, tap Storage. On the storage page, you will see how much space Facebook is using for data and cache. Cache is just temporary files that help the app load faster but can cause odd glitches when they become outdated. Now tap Clear Cache. The cache number will drop to 0 almost instantly. Nothing from your account is deleted, only temporary files on the device. This can fix dating problems caused by corrupted cached pages or old location data. Finally, open Facebook again and check Dating. Launch the app, go back to the menu, tap Dating, and see whether your dating tab, matches, and suggestions now load correctly without errors. You have now updated Facebook, restarted it, and cleared the cache to fix common Facebook dating issues reported on Reddit. If this helped you get dating working again, please give the video a quick thumbs up, and if you like fixes like this, consider subscribing for more.